Welcome back. Well, that time where we need to plow this field where we left it in our last episode, I'm going to use the worker to do that. So let's see how he's going to go with this. Looks like my field is ready to harvest. That is the sunflower. Looks like not all of it, but most of it is ready to harvest. So, we need to do this as well. Didn't I? I thought I set them all up for auto sale, but looks like no. Oh, we gotta come and harvest this field as well by the looks of it. Okay. Shift R. Okay. We're gonna be doing this now. We're gonna crash into things. Okay. Alright, that's not really, I don't know how I'm going to do this. But obviously we're gonna need to do something to be able to maybe try reversing it. This is where we're gonna be running on our field so much. Oh, it's not really what I want to do, is there? So we'll try it this way. See, okay, so that's maybe the way to go. Oh no, that's definitely not the way to go. So I think what we're gonna do is do it like this. And then me get off. I think I could put super strength Alt S from here onwards. And see if we can push them all. Okay. Then we're gonna go Shift R. Beautiful. I think that's probably going to be the way we're gonna deal with this. Okay, let's go, 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 go. Doesn't look like we were full. Okay, this is not what I thought it is. The other one that I needed to worry about. Now, I'm not going to record the whole thing of me doing this, pushing things around. But at least for a little bit. Now, I am hoping that we're not going to find ourselves into somewhere where, hey, you can't unload or load or whatever this thing. Okay, so this is where we're going to be doing this thing. I think I'm going to set this up for auto sale as well. Oh, wrong one again. I got a funny feeling that I pushed it too far ahead and the truck is going to hit them. Maybe it's not the smartest thing to do it this way. Maybe the smartest thing would have been to place them sideways with the auto load. And who knows, if I feel like it, I may even go back and change it to that. Okay. Yep, so we're going to have to... Oh, please tell me that you can fit more than just those. Okay, I need to be stationary, that's fine. Okay, so what do we have here? Beans, right? Yep. What did we plant in this field? And that's ready to harvest as well. Yep. Okay, so you know what? Let's just leave that here for now. I need to start the engine. Okay, we'll have to. What's going on over here? Oh, TMR. Okay, so we'll worry about you later. Water. Do I need to put water in there? Okay, so that's done. And my combine. Oh, we need to start the engine. We'll go and set it up for harvesting, hey? And that way we can harvest our soybeans. Oh, and then obviously we're gonna have to come and harvest our. Ooh, that's very high, sitting very high. I honestly did not expect it to sit this high. Okay, so we're gonna have to kind of go into there like that. Okay, and let's just double check that I am going to. Right. So I'm going to have to go down, which is fine. Now I am way behind Daggerwin and Chainsaw by to the tune of almost, I think they're almost like they're almost 20 or 30 episodes ahead of me by this time, and it's becoming very hard to take care of, as this is one of the reasons why I will set my production to auto sell. I realize that I will lose some money that way, but otherwise all I'm going to be doing is selling letters in just about every episode. I realize that I have an auto load trailer and it does make it easier, but easier does not mean in our case to be, you know, perfect as far as okay, so what I'm gonna do is, do I have something coming on this main road? No. Okay. Don't come up, don't come up. Oh yes, he didn't. Okay, let's do this from in-cab view. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I can do it like this and collect the straw. Fantastic. We'll set the work up until... Oh, this is a tractor that I bought in my last episode. Where's my truck with the trailer? Come on. Oh, there's my trailer. But you know what? I think I do have to get my biggest tractor for that. Okay, come on. I've got so much letters even in there. I keep meaning to sell it, but as you can see, I'm not selling it because I keep forgetting about it, to be honest. Okay, so. Whoa. No need to do that. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Well, set this guy. I don't know how to set it up to auto load. I think I've tried that, and I don't think it worked very well, if memory serves me right. So I don't know what I'm going to do as far as that is concerned, because it does not seem to want to to do it as far as what it says, you know, unload whatever, and it does not do it. At least it didn't do it when I set it up. So maybe I'm doing something wrong. Most likely I'm doing something wrong, and that's why it's not unloading as it should. So hence why we're gonna have to do everything manually. I'm gonna take this trailer and the tractor over here, and then we'll set up all the greenhouses to sell. As much as I want to sort of get the huge amounts of payouts that we get for it, yeah, even with autoload, it's still not feasible yet for me to you know, to start doing it manually, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're gonna park you right here. Okay, and while we're doing that, greenhouses. Where we have selling. I wish that you could do to change it all. So at least this way reduces some of the workload. Reduces some of the workload, and it allows me to do other things as well. I still have quite a bit of production happening at the moment, as you can see. We have only water. We got chaff, we got stones. So we still got some wheat in there that's being produced. No bread. We got canola oil, but we've got no. Oh, we can do wheat. Barley, canola. Oh, still got some canola, so that's okay. Wood, we're completely out, so we're gonna have to go in, and nothing for spinnery. Okay, so let's go back to here. Oh, onto the fence. Nothing for spinnery, even though I got food, so that's not a problem. We've got wool, and we've got milk. Let's push them a little bit out of the way, just in case more has to come. And let's get, oh, it's gonna take a little while to, not you, you. Maybe what I should be doing is selling this truck and trailer, and actually, let's have a look. Oh. What is the capacity of this? 18,000 liters. Oh, I don't know. We'll think about it. That's not what I wanted to come here for. I wanted to look at, oops, way too high here. I thought I had. Okay, where are you? Okay, so it does auto load. Can't see any ones, any daycare premium. That kind of just doesn't look right, does it? Looks more like a tow truck than what are you supposed to do? Okay, this is more like a daily truck. No, we definitely want the flatbed. Tires, do we have? Step cover. Yeah, we want it like that. Crew cab, day cab. Yeah, I think day cab. Yeah, look, we'll buy these. The reason that I'm gonna, and I think I had this before and sort of got rid of it. The idea behind it is this, is that I get the option of actually, hopefully get the option of just being able to transport smaller stuff like pallets from our sheep and things of that nature. Oh, okay, it's a bit. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Where did I put that? Okay, and that's okay. I honestly don't know if it actually. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is coming, right? You coming this way? Looks like it, yes. It's got high beam by the looks of it. Okay, it's just the one high beam and that's it. Okay, come on, speed up. You know, I wish they would do, whenever they do an update, that you can actually get it to go from here as well, like from the cabin there, instead of having to come all the way back here. Ah, the ships are crossing. Where are they? Wow, it's right here. Okay, that's almost done. That's beautiful. Okay, let's start the engine while the other ships are crossing. We can do this a little bit more. Okay, let's get this pushed away and get it all organized. And yeah, that's exactly what I shouldn't have done. Okay, and let's go push it around like this, since we decided to push it way over the top. And I knew this is what's going to happen. It's not going to recognize that one. Okay, it doesn't want to do it anymore. Why? Is it full? I still pick some of them up. No, it does not want to pick that one up, does it? Don't know why. Don't know why it does not like that particular one. So let's try and go around like this and see if it will recognize any of those. Okay, it looks like it's full. It's gotta be to go there. Okay, so can we pass now? Can we cross now? Yep. Yep, definitely we can cross now. And turn off the beacon, I don't think we need to. It'd be nice if you could set it off from one of the two cabins instead of having to go back all the way to it. So, you know, call it from where you're calling it from there type of thing. But then get into the actual one of the two cabins here and set it off from there. That would be fantastic. Okay, this fog hopefully lifts up soon because we're not getting the best picture out of it. It looks like our worker has finished harvesting, so we're gonna have to set it up on the next field as soon as we. Okay, boom, there we are. I think I'll go this way. Not the best view as far as. I like the way the sheep enclosure. I like the way you can do the, you know, extend the sheep enclosure. Whoa! Missed it by that much. Okay, let's see if we'll pick up anything from here. Oh. Will it pick this half pallet or not? Yes, beautiful. Now we're gonna have to go and put this in our spinnery and get the spinnery going. Whoa, that's sharp turning. I was not expecting that. Did I put... Oops, sorry buddy. I'm sort of all over the place. What's going on over here? Oh, this is where we get our trees, right? Okay, what's going on over here? Okay, our chickens. It looks like they've got plenty of food, I think. I hope. Because I've noticed that with the chickens, I can leave the bags here. And if you remember one of the episodes, we bought I bought quite a lot of these bags. And I don't think they work unless you do this. So you can do all you want as far as just dropping them here. It will not actually feed. We're not really getting a lot of eggs, are we? So we're not really benefiting from the chickens at all. They're very, 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 very slow production. I mean, that's what I had from like 5 months, I think, that I've had them. So I'm not quite sure what's going on there. Okay, and let's go find where our spinner is. I think I placed something over there where my silo used to be. And I say that because it's been a little while since I've been on this game. So, yep, spinnery. And with this, I think the best way to produce anything, it wasn't here, was it? This is the meal. That's my silo. I think with milk is over here. I think. Yep. How are we going for milk over here? So we got 900 liters of goat milk, plenty of buffalo milk, and cow milk. We've got 60,000 liters. Okay. So what are we producing over here now? Oops. Come on. So they're not very high production, are they? So it's not like you're going to end up with, you know, hundreds of pallets like you would with the lettuce, for example. And I'm not quite sure if this is not, if it's not producing because it's already, the trigger's already full. Looks like something like that. Whoa. Okay. If that's the way you want to play it. Now, what are our prices like? Okay, saving, that's fine. Okay, so we got a little bit of wool, no cotton at all. We're activating it. I still haven't done anything with that. So we still have canola oil. And this is where we kind of just, yeah, wow, bread. Okay, so there's so many different ways to produce the same thing. It's not funny. But do we have, are we producing anything? So just normal bread, where are we? No. Wood chips and rice flour. So wood chips and just flour. We got no rice flour. We've got a very small amount of flour. We got water. And we got canola. No barley. Okay. Oh, we can do soybeans. I'm not quite sure what soybeans would do. So water and flour, we get bread. Okay, water and canola. Where we get flour, so we'll activate that. And we get pig food. My God, we have pig. Wow, wow! Look at the amount of pig food that we have. So we got corn. Why are we getting so much corn? Pig food. So we can do oats as well. I'm going to activate all this because otherwise I'll forget about them. Even though I obviously don't as yet have the rice or anything like that. Sorghum. Okay, so we can do sorghum, soybeans. Soybeans and water. We are doing soybeans at the moment. We're harvesting sunflower. Diesel, sunflower, and water activated. And wheat. Where are we? Okay. But we're not really producing anything. We have some canola. We have some flour. We got 1,000 liters of bread. Oh, go away, go away. let's put my speed on so we can actually get there a lot quicker. Oh yeah, we do have, yeah, it's right here. We got our bread. Yes. Yes, wow, look at that. Okay, so we are kind of getting where we should be. Let's go to we go to this guy over here. And we'll send him home. I don't actually think I can harvest sorghum and all that, can I? Let's have a look. What can we harvest? Plant, I meant to say, sorry. Hey, I can plant barley. Where's the sorghum? I can't plant sorghum. And sunflower. You know what? I think what we'll do is we'll plant some barley on this field over here, which is exactly what we was set up by the looks of it to do. And we'll do that in our next episode, since it's already been half an hour. So have a wonderful day wherever you are around the world. God bless you and your family, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.